How to create video post not real on Instagram, and can you even do that? That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, for some reason, whenever you want to post a video on Instagram as a video post, it will be automatically posted as a reel. Now, if you want to post a normal video on Instagram and not a reel, it kind of hard to do that, and it's kind of tricky. Sure, there are some ways that you can use, such as posting the video in a carousel with photos, just like this one right here. You post video plus photo, but that might not be what you are looking for. So there's a one solution. It might be a solution that you can use, and that's to navigate to your profile page right here. Now this is the only way that you can do so as right now, so you might as well try it, as there are no other solutions, so it might work for you. Once you are here, click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy, and let's wait for the page to load. Once it does, scroll down to you find the section that says more info and support. From there, click on help and click on report a problem. Then click report problem to continue. Click include and continue, and you will be landed on this page right here, in which we will essentially try to connect with the Instagram support team and asking them to enable this feature of posting a normal video and not reel, and make sure to give them a few reasons, your specific reasons. For example, tell them that they are interesting for your business, or they are something crucial for your audience, etc. You can even include a screen shot or a video right here. And once you're done, click on send button at the top right corner, and they might get back to you and solve your problem. So just go ahead and use that. So that was it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.